Renault continues to redefine modern retro design with another classic revival, the all-new 2026 Renault Twingo E-Tech Electric. Following the success of the Renault 4 and 5, the beloved Twingo returns with an electric heart and a cheerful attitude that captures the playful spirit of the original. Developed in just 2 years, this fourth-generation Twingo was created with a focus on simplicity, charm, and urban practicality. It retains the iconic round headlights, triple hood vents, and that signature red hazard light button, all reminiscent of the 1990s model that made the Twingo famous. But unlike its older sibling, this new version adds rear doors, making it more convenient for today's drivers. The rear windows still pop out rather than roll down, a quirky touch that keeps the nostalgic charm alive. Despite being larger than its predecessor, the Twingo stays true to its small car roots. Measuring 149.1 inches long, 67.7 inches wide, and 58.7 inches tall, it feels right at home in tight city spaces. It sits on a 98.1-inch wheelbase and comes standard with 16-inch wheels with optional 18-inch alloys for a sportier stance. Inside, Renault blends nostalgia with technology. The cabin features a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch infotainment display, offering the latest connectivity features. Bright exterior paint extends into the cabin, just like the first-generation model. The gear selector sits behind the steering wheel, and physical buttons remain for the climate and audio controls. A thoughtful choice for those tired of touch-sensitive interfaces. The real surprise comes from the rear cabin. 2 individually sliding rear seats offer flexibility rarely found in small electric cars, while the front passenger seat folds flat to carry longer items. Cargo space measures 12.7 cubic feet, with the rear seats up and expands to over 35.3 cubic feet when folded down, making it impressively practical for its size. Powering the new Twingo is a front-mounted electric motor producing 80 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 12.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 81 miles per hour. Modest numbers, but ideal for city commuting. Thanks to its lightweight 2,645-pound body, the Twingo feels nimble and efficient. Energy comes from a 27.5 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, delivering an estimated 163 miles of range under the WLTP cycle. Charging from 10 to 80% takes about 30 minutes using a 50 kilowatt direct current charger. The system also supports bidirectional charging through an 11 kilowatt alternating current setup with an adapter output of up to 3,700 watts for powering devices or even a home. Built in Slovenia, the Renault Twingo E-Tech Electric will arrive in European showrooms early next year with a price under 20,000 euros, roughly $23,000 before incentives. With the Volkswagen ID.1 not expected until 2027, Renault's cheerful EV could dominate the affordable electric city car market for years to come.